We are now ready to start inserting Content Island content into our site. Let's set up Content Island. What will we need? We need to install the Content Island API library and add an environment variable with our project's API key. To install the Content Island API library, let's open the terminal and run an npm install at Content Island API client and save it as a production dependency. We also need to add our project's API key from content as an environment variable. Why? Because not everyone should have access to my content data. In my project, I have an API key and I can use it to access the data. To do that, we go to the content portal. We select the project we're working on, and in the General tab, we can copy the API key from the token field. Now we create a file at the root of the project and name it .env.local. And we add the environment variable Content Island secret token with the value we copied. Next.js allows us to create environment variable files for each environment. In this case, since we are in development, we add the suffix .local. For production, it is recommended to create environment variables on the platform where the application is deployed or in the CI/CD pipelines. Now we're going to initialize the Content Island library in our project and inject the API key. We create a folder inside src called lib, and inside it a file named client.ts. Here we're going to import from the library Content Island API client, the method create client. We export the client, and as access token, we're simply going to use the specific process env.contentisland secret token. And if it doesn't exist, we set it to an empty string. And now we have everything ready to start working with the data.